Oh, have you lived here a long time?
Yeah, like over 20 years.
Oh, wow. Oh, this building?
Yeah.
Huh. Nice.
They were built in 1988.
Oh, 88?
Yeah.
Huh.
And the builder was Pulte. You know, everything was done really cheap.
Right? Yeah, unfortunately.
Some great reviews on the Nextdoor app.
Yeah, it seems like I have a...
I bet that, does that like generate all your business? You probably don't even have to advertise.
That's the only place I do advertise.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I get it probably about 90% of my work from there.
Wow.
That and, of course, word of mouth, you know what I mean?
Do you go by David or Mr. Grimsley or?
Either one's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to save your contact.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I appreciate that.